What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. We'll start out the technical analysis by going over what I see on the daily chart and potential price targets. Then we'll take a quick look on the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So I'm back from my vacation and I'm ready to be making 3 to 4 videos a week for you guys. So let's go ahead and take a look on the daily chart for Alibaba. And as you can see, we have been shooting up since prices found support at this 138 level. So it looks like that downtrend is over, the short-term one right here, this small one for BABA. So that's why we're seeing this reversal in play right now. I don't know how far it could be going or how long it could last, but I'll give you guys a good estimate. It's never guaranteed because prices can just change at any moment, and then you just got to make a new update. So let's go ahead and take a look at a measured move. So price action made this first leg up right here, and then it kind of went sideways for a week. So it was just creating a base, and then it looks like it's possibly making the second leg right here. And it looks like the target that prices would want to reach is right at that the 193 level. So I'll put a horizontal line right there. And again, so since price action broke out of that sideways action previously, I expect prices to come back to test it first before continuing higher. That's what it looks like it wants to do. And there's a little gap right here that prices could fill, and also maybe find some support at the EMA since we haven't found support yet. So we could do something like this, pull back one more time, and then reach that 193 target. Let's see. So on the daily chart, I am bullish. It looks like prices still want to complete the second leg formation and reach that 193 level, and it would make sense because it looks like that's where this down move happened, and it looks like it wants to take back all the profit that the short sellers made and come back to the break-even stops. For this downtrend, we had that break outside, and it looks like we made that new low, and that's why we saw this reversal up. I don't know how long it's gonna last. It looks like it could reach that 193 level, or even can go higher than that, but as of right now, it looks like it could reach that 193 level. Could we sell off from here and go back below the EMA and find resistance and continue lower? That's a possibility, but as of right now, I'm leaning more towards the longs just because we haven't done it yet, and it looks like we could still make that second leg up. So that's pretty much everything I see on the daily chart. We could possibly make in a spike and channel up. So this was the spike up right here, and then let me show you guys with the yellow channel that the channel right here. So we could be making a spike and channel up. Let me zoom in a little closer. So this is the spike up, and looks like we could be tapering down in this flatter channel, working up and do something like this. Maybe we won't pull back all the way to that little range. Maybe we'll do something like this. That's another possibility, but I'm pretty bullish for BABA just until this target is met, and then from there we have to wait and see what it wants to do. We could sell off from here and continue lower, but I don't see that. That's not likely as of right now. And it looks like we could possibly just sell off maybe a little bit back to that 168 level, maybe the 167 level, and then from there get a bounce and then continue higher to reach that second leg. We had this downtrend lower, and we had that break outside. We made that new low. We saw this large reversal back through the EMA, which takes a lot of buying strength because before we were struggling to stay above the EMA or even get through it, but now we just shot right through it. Prices were moving sideways for about several days, making kind of like a flag pattern, ready for that second leg up, and that's exactly what it looks like it's doing. And we're stalling out right at this 178 level, probably because it wants to come back to test this breakout level, and from there we'll probably see another bounce up to this 193 level. So that's what I expect to happen. We just gotta wait and see. So let's go ahead and take a look on the weekly chart. Actually, one more thing. There's actually one more thing I want to show you guys on the daily chart. So this 193 target I believe is valid just because I still believe BABA is in a very large downtrend, as you can see right here, and it looks like it wants to pull back to that 193 level, exactly where my measured move is, because it's the upper side of the channel. So that's where it looks like prices want to go to. Let me change the color. So maybe it wants to reach this purple target that I circled because it's the upper side of the channel. Let me zoom out again. So prices move from the lower side to the upper side of the channel. So since we came up short here, and if this larger channel is in play, we'll probably overshoot the target. And then from there, we might not even continue higher because we'll probably go back down to retest the lows. Maybe something like this, just like this orange channel did. We had that break outside, and then we continue lower to stop out the person right here, and then we saw the reversal. So this happens also on larger channels. So even if we do get that break outside, we could do one more last sell off to stop out this person right here, and then see the reversal that we're expecting. If we don't see that drop down and we just keep on trading higher, then maybe the channel was something like this. Let me just drag this a little closer. So maybe the channel was something like this, and we just had that overshoot right here, and we might not even get that retest to the lows. We could just be trending up from here, and this might be the last buying opportunity at these low prices. But we just gotta wait and see. Can't rush into the price action, but that's pretty much my analysis for BABA, that we could reach this 193 level. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly chart now. So here's the weekly chart, and as you can see that we are finding resistance at that EMA now. Prices just touched it and pulled back just a little bit. I knew we were going to pull back to the EMA just because we were far away from it from a long time, and far away from it for a long time, and the distance was very far away. So we had to see that pull back to test it. From here, that doesn't mean we're going to find rejection and continue lower. Previously, we could just shoot right through it and stay above it right around, like you can see over here in the past price action. We did find resistance, but then the few weeks later prices got above it, so we can do the same thing over here. Just gotta wait and see. So that's pretty much my analysis for BABA. I don't expect a reversal from here, maybe a slight pullback, and then that pullback will complete maybe that second leg up to that 193 level, and from there we just gotta wait and see. But that's pretty much all I have for BABA. So thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.